We'll guide you through how to fix no sound on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you're finding that the sound is not working on videos and there's no audio and you can't hear them. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, as this problem is really annoying because you then can't go and properly watch videos without sound or audio. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss at the fix that will go and solve the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So what you want to do first of all is come onto a video. You can see I'm just on a GuideRealm video here. Go and move your cursor over the video player, and you want to go to the bottom left of the video player to where the play pause button is, and you've got this speaker icon. At the moment it's muted, so I can go and click on it to unmute it. Then try playing it and see if that works. Alternatively, you can go and press the M key as well. Also, make sure that you go and increase the volume on the player as well, in case it's turned very low and you can't go and hear it. Go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, what you want to do is come to your tab at the top. Now you can go and see the tab here. What you need to do is you need to go and right click on the tab like so. You're going to see a list of options and you want to make sure that the site is not muted. So what you can do is go and press unmute site like so, and now try playing the video and hopefully it'll work. If you still find that it isn't, what you want to do is head to the top right, we're using Chrome in this case, and press the three dots, go down and you can press settings. Now you need to come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security. In here, scroll down to the bottom and find site settings. Now you can go and scroll down, come down into content and press additional content settings, and you need to go and find sound. And you can go and click there. Make sure sites can play sound is selected, and in customized behaviors that YouTube is not in the list, not allowed to play sound. Make sure YouTube is not in the list, not allowed to play sound. If it is, you'll need to go and remove it. After you've done that, what you can try doing is going and testing YouTube, and hopefully it'll work. If this still doesn't, you need to go and open your sound settings. You can type in sound settings in search or find the sound icon in the bottom right and right click on it and press sound settings. Then what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find volume mixer. So make sure your computer volume is turned up as well. Go and scroll down and you want to make sure that Chrome is not muted first of all and that you've gone and turned it up. If it's muted, go and unmute it and increase the volume here. And then hopefully it's going to go and be working. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again. Have a great day and I look forward to catching you again.